Hello everyone, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a reading para sa sign ng Libra. So if you have Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements, Libra, sa iyong natal chart, there's a message here for you. Let's check. Libra. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay. And, ayun, before we proceed, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng subscribers, sa followers, sa lahat ng my schedule na private readings sa akin. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Ayun. Pasensya na sa ingay again. And sa mga gusto naman ng readings with me, I'm more active sa TikTok and I'm trying na rin na maging active dito sa YT, YouTube, or Black App, kung ano man tawag mo sa app na to. So again, kung naka-resonate ka sa readings, just comment anything and don't forget to subscribe as well. Let's do a reading para sa sign ng Libra. Ano ang mensahe ng baraha sa'yo? 5 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, King of Cups, 2 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Parang lahat na ata ng zodiac sign ngayon ay abala mag-work, mag-build ng stability, as we all have this Six of Pentacles, 7, 8 of Pentacles pala. This one, 8 of Pentacles. Lahat ng sign ay nakakuha ng ganyang cards. What else para sa sign ng Libra? I'm hearing completion. There's the Moon card, 6 of Pentacles, Page of Wands, 6 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Wands, 9 of Wands rather, the High Priestess, and the Wheel of Fortune. Last is Ace of Swords. So yun, if you have a strong Libra placement sa iyong natal chart, ang video ito ay for you. I can see, una dito, ang nagpa-pop na energy is all about love. You and your person, nagkakaroon ng balanced energy sa nararamdaman, sa effort, somehow, sa communication. And for some of you here naman, medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng imbalance naman when it comes to your money. Although I've said kanina, there's this very hardworking energy under 8 of Pentacles. Pero yun nga, medyo nagkakaroon ng imbalance sa iyong money energy. For some of you, medyo bawasan yung mga gastos, unnecessary gastos, kasi mas maraming napupunta sa ganong side kontra sa pagtitipid sa tamang energy ng pera, just like mga bayarin, savings, and so on and so forth. For some of you here naman, may pagbabago dito when it comes to strength mo, sa sarili mong strength, sa ability to communicate. Maybe for some of you here, medyo nagkakaroon ng stubbornness or pagtigas ng ulo sa pagdating sa pagsunod ng mga warnings, plano. I'm seeing the word sweet. So, pwedeng nagkikrave ka ng sweets, or maybe your body is telling you na iwas mo na sa sweets. And ayun, meron ako ditong nakikitang you might cut off someone na hindi masyadong clear when it comes to pakikipag-communicate or relationship sa'yo. There's also a mother energy here. So, pwedeng you and your mother magkaroon muna kayo ng pag-cut off moments. For some, this is a permanent cutting off season sa'yo. And for some of you here, you have to follow your intuition when it comes to helping others. Maybe there is this too much energy of lifting others from where they are right now. Okay lang naman tumulong, but for some reason, we have to put some boundaries when it comes to that. Kasi minsan, yung mga tinutulungan nating tao, they are experiencing yung karma doesn't mean bad, but the consequences of our actions. And madalas, kahit na kind ang pakay natin sa pagtulong, naaapektuhan ang flow ng energy state of abundance natin. But then again, there's no harm in kindness, but choose always your boundaries and maging matuto mag-discern. So, ayun. For Libra, I can also hear again the word completion. Kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo, binabalak mo, there is a completion coming in. So, good luck and congratulations. This is your reading for today. Thank you.